Though, turning to the coronavirus and education, Governor Brown and state education officials announced new guidelines today, which will allow more schools to potentially open their doors for in-person learning in Oregon.
Our Lindsay Nadrich joins us now to explain the changes, and she got reaction from teachers and parents. Lindsay.
Yeah, the new guidelines lower the restrictions, which means more schools will be eligible to start bringing kids back into the classrooms. Under the new guidelines, schools will be able to reopen based on COVID positivity rates in their county rather than the state. It also allows schools to look at COVID data over the last 2 weeks instead of 3. While not every school district across the state will suddenly be able to return to in-person learning, Governor Kate Brown estimates about 130,000 students will be able to. Schools will start bringing back the youngest kids first, then the older grades, depending on total COVID case numbers for counties with less than 30,000 people and county case rates for larger counties. While many are eager to get kids back in the classrooms, not everyone is happy with the relaxed metrics.
So at a moment when we're seeing transmission of the virus surge, it's a bit of a jarring message to also hear that we're relaxing the standards of safety in Oregon, especially when they've served us so well to keep our state relatively safe.
Elizabeth Teal, the president of the Portland Association of Teachers, said it's too soon to make these changes when Oregon continues to set records for the number of new daily COVID cases. Teal said they're still struggling to get the basics in place, like soap and paper towels in the bathrooms, along with better ventilation in classrooms. So she and others would like to see more done to reduce the spread of COVID-19 before schools reopen. Now, if you want to take a closer look at these new metrics, as well as see a list of the counties that could reopen today based on the changes, we have that and much more on KOIN.com. Reporting live, I'm Lindsay Nadrich, KOIN 6 News.